Ever wished you could inject the soul of your favorite painting directly into your Midjourney creations? Style Reference is your artistic DNA sequencer, and in the next minute and a half, I'll show you how to wield its power. First things first, you need your reference image. It can be anything from a famous painting to a photograph with a particular aesthetic. Hosted online. Copy the image address. You'll need that URL. Now, in Midjourney, type /imagine, followed by your base prompt describing what you want to create, for example, a futuristic cityscape. Here's the magic: add sref, followed by a space, and then paste the URL of your reference image. So, imagine futuristic cityscape sref. Midjourney will now analyze the artistic style of your reference image and apply it to your futuristic cityscape, blending your vision with the artist's signature brushstrokes and color palettes. Want more control? Adjust the intensity with SW. Style Reference opens up a universe of creative possibilities. Fuse different artistic styles, explore the aesthetics of specific photographers, and craft truly unique images that bear your distinct creative signature. Now go forth and paint the future.